My name's Mark from iMOW Brisbane, Mark Greaves, and yeah, we've been in business for 15 years, and we're out here today at a property that we've been doing for a number of years now. And yeah, it gets mowed every week. We do this place every week, front to back, 5 acres, 2 weeks in winter, and yeah, weekly in summer. We've been in business now for 15 years. I used to work at an airport, just pushing aircraft, and so I've always liked to work outside. But we had our first child and I needed some extra cash, so I started push mowing just out of the boot of my car, just with a standard rubbish junk mower that we all start with, or as the average homeowner would use, just the old Victor. And I remember my first conversation saying to my wife I needed to upgrade. I needed a self-propelled mower. Productivity-wise was the biggest explanation, and that's the exact reason why, as the business went from 2 or 3 lawns a week to one stage we were mowing at least 200 lawns a week when we were doing our smaller stuff. And I purchased my first walker. This is the 5th one I have now. I currently own 2, but I'm on to my 5th brand new one. And my first machine had a 36-inch deck because I needed to compromise somewhere. I needed to still be able to get into my residential properties, but I wanted to step my foot into acreage mowing. And down the track, obviously onto my second machine, I decided 36 was no good. Wasn't getting through the acreage fast enough, and that's where I wanted to predominantly focus my business on, was customers who wanted their lawns perfect, and didn't see it as a burden to have the cost of having their lawn mowed. Someone who looks upon their lawn like a proper lawn guy does, where it's a pleasure to have a nice mowed lawn. It's not a hassle. You're not having to do U-turns, 3-point turns. Once you go over one area, this whole front lawn today was mowed in one cut. I didn't double cut the place at all. The whole property was cut just in a single cut. Unless I want a cold drink, I don't have to get off the machine. I sit there all day, don't break a sweat. I'm this big for a reason. Like you said, funny is a good word because it does look a little bit strange. The whole setup and the concept behind it. It was probably the hardest thing for me to get my mind around sitting on it for the first time, and using it, it did feel a little strange, but I tell you right now, it is the most simplest machine to operate. Most days I'm just operating with one hand. If you've used a zero turn, it's 100% the same as a zero turn, except for the added advantage of speed, able to adjust your speed. And that's just obviously, once you set your speed, you don't need to use it again. You can, of course, because obviously there's different terrain, different environments, but yeah, honestly, most of the day, all I use is my fingertips. And once you get the hang of it, even literally, I live on acreage myself, and I've got a number of neighbours who have bought these now because they've seen what I do with it, and they've got their kids, 10, 12, 13-year-old. They buzz around all day using the walker with no issues at all. Obviously, the biggest advantage that the walker has, obviously, it's not hard to see that you're cutting decks directly in front of you. So obviously you have no obstructions for view. That allows you to spin around into tight places, mow directly up to things without damaging fences, posts, or the machine itself. But the biggest advantage is, I'd probably say anti-scuff. You can scuff the lawn if you really try, but if you're just operating the machine and you've got that undulated ground, uneven ground, hills where other machines will scuff, or you've got to get out and lift your lever up. The fact that it pivots on, it's got 3 different sets of wheels on the ground allows it to mow close, but not scuff. I have got other machines that I can use if, for the right environment. I've got a couple of hustlers, I've got a stander, and I've got a zero turn, one of the big guys. And the hustler, I just use that for all the rugged stuff. Literally all I do to that is put fuel in it and blades on it. I don't show it any love. I bounce it off whatever terrain, through creek beds, mud, whatever, it just takes it. Whereas this machine, it's designed for a purpose, and if you look after it and keep up with the maintenance, you will not have a problem with it. As a business owner, I'm servicing it probably once every 3 to 4 weeks, depending on your workload. I do it a little bit more than that because of the amount of hours I put on it. As far as the maintenance goes, if you stay on top of it, you will not have a problem with the machine. They're built to last, they really are. They don't let you down unless you let them down, and that's speaking from the heart. Just a couple of upgrades that you can put on your machine, which it's a no-brainer. The height adjuster kit, you can adjust it on the fly, especially when you're mowing in a commercial environment. Obviously, we're going from one lawn to the next, different types of lawn. As you're rolling along, you can be mowing full speed and just lean down and adjust to your exact height, and it literally takes 2 seconds. Also, I have the wider tyres just for that extra grip and stability on a slope. Other than that, tyres are tyres really, but it really does help on the slopes. And a really cheap one for a commercial guy is the headlights. So if you do get caught out and you're having to mow up till dark, you can mow in full pitch black. I have done in the past, but usually I've got those on the machine specifically to mow at home, because I like to mow in summer when it's cooler and I run out of daylight, so that's why I have the headlights. We've been in business now for 15 years, locally owned and operated. We operate in the same area that we live. We know our clients very well. I live on Acreage myself, so I know what's required. And our main target of business is high-end premium properties like what we've got here. We operate in Chandler, Gumdale, Ransom, Burbank, Capalaba, those areas predominantly, but we'll go for anywhere for the right job. Hey, you're looking for someone that's going to look after your place as well as this place gets maintained, that requires that finesse that other contractors don't provide, give us a call. Happy to take on new customers.